kailangan nating mag-usap. I think, hindi na to mag-work eh. I don't feel valued. Hindi ko na nakikita yung future ko sa relasyon na to. Hindi na ako makahinga ng dahil sa'yo. And us? There was never an us. And there will never be an us. You were always there for me. But you being there is not healthy anymore. What makes all that story different from all your stories before? I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason. Punong-puno na ako. At nasasaktan na rin ako. Hindi mo man lang naisip yung epekto ng ginagawa mo sa akin. Sobrang toxic na ng relasyon na to. Ang dami nang nadadamay. And my feelings have changed. Ngayon, you loved me at my worst. And you had me at my best. Pero binaliwala mo lang lahat ng yun. And you chose to break my heart. Malaya na ako. Nakakahinga na ako ng maluwag. And for once, I finally felt how I want to be treated. Oh, ba't hindi ka nagsasalita?